Testimony set to begin today in the civil lawsuit against Donald Trump. It's tied to a decades-long rape allegation. Former columnist E. Jean Carroll is suing Trump for allegedly assaulting her in a New York department store back in the 1990s. Trump has denied the accusation. But this is all happening in a courthouse in Manhattan, and Magda Salasa is there this morning, live just outside that now familiar courthouse to us. Magda, things getting underway, I understand, this morning. Set the scene for us, if you would.
Yeah, absolutely. So just a few moments ago, I did see one of Trump's lawyers enter the courthouse. And then minutes after that, I saw E. Jean Carroll with her team enter as well. And so things are about to get underway here on this second day of this trial. As you mentioned, Carroll has accused the former president of raping her back in the mid-1990s in a dressing room at a department store. And at the time, she says she told two of her friends what happened, but didn't speak publicly until more than 2 decades later. She said that the Me Too movement, which saw survivors speak out, motivated her, and she wrote about the alleged assault in a book and did interviews. Now, this is a portion of an interview that she did with CNN in 2019.
It was a fight. I want women to know that I did not stand there, I did not freeze, I was not paralyzed.
Now, along with the allegations of battery, she's also suing him for defamation for comments that Trump made after she went public with these allegations. Here is what the former president said about her allegations when they first were released back in 2019. Take a listen.
I have no idea who this woman is. This is a woman who's also accused other men of things, as you know. It is a totally false accusation.
Now, he has said that he's accused her of trying to drum up publicity for her book. And yesterday, his lawyers accused Carroll and her 2 friends of hating Trump and fabricating this story. Now, Carroll is, of course, one of several women who have accused Trump of sexual assault over the years. And along with Carroll expected to testify during this case, we may also hear from 2 other accusers. We might also hear from employees of that department store, Heather.
Is there a chance, Magda, that Trump himself will testify in this case?
Well, Trump didn't show up yesterday for the first day of the trial. At this point, we don't even know if he will testify. Yesterday, his lawyer told the judge he didn't know the answer to that at this point. The fact is, he doesn't have to show up. He doesn't have to testify. But we do know that he did sit for a deposition in this case. So it is possible that we may hear evidence from that. And if, in the end, Trump is found liable in this case, take a listen to what this lawyer had to say, this business and entertainment lawyer, about what he could possibly expect.
It's a civil case, so it's not a criminal proceeding, so he doesn't have to worry about jail time or anything like that. But it can be serious civil ramifications. We're talking about money here, and it could be a significant amount of money.
Now, this trial is expected to last a week, possibly even 2 weeks. And as you know, this is just one of many legal troubles that the former president is facing. It was just 2 weeks ago that he was here and charged for falsifying business records, 34 counts of that in a separate case. And he, of course, is facing other federal and state investigations as well. But with this case, this day 2 of the trial is getting underway shortly.